Today we will discuss about keyboard shortcuts, a key or combination of keys providing quick access to a particular function within a computer program. Using keyboard shortcuts instead of the mouse enable you to work faster, more efficiently, and with increased precision, thereby saving your time and improving your productivity. As well for those with mobility or vision disabilities, keyboard shortcuts are indispensable. Using keyboard shortcuts helps reduce the risk of repetitive strain injury, which can be caused by frequent use of the mouse. Like various programs, Revit also have keyboard shortcuts. Let me tell you how to make them. Go to Options dialog box in File drop-down. Select the User Interface section. Click Keyboard Shortcuts Customize button. Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box is in front of us. We can call Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box by pressing KS, shortcut key from keyboard. At the top of the search, we will type a command that needs to generate a shortcut key. For example, I wrote section command. It is appearing now in assignment box. Section command is appearing, but shortcut box is empty. We will assign X shortcut key in press new key box. Now X is appearing in shortcuts. Through this procedure we can generate shortcut keys of any command. You can remove also any generated shortcut key. For this purpose, select key from shortcuts section. Remove button will active. Press shortcut key remove button. The shortcut key is removed. The second section is filter. All commands appears in all section, even they defined with shortcut key or not. All defined shortcut keys defined in all defined section. You can remove or modify any shortcut key from this section. All not defined shortcut keys appears in all not defined section. We can assign shortcut keys of this section. After that, all reserved section. In this section, shortcut keys have default assigned shortcut keys. We can't change shortcut keys of this section. After that, there is a selection by tab group. For example, all commands exist in modified tab whether they have shortcut key assigned or not. They will appear in this filter. This filter list consists of different tabs, menus, and bars. When you make keyboard shortcuts group, you can export it as a file for using it another system or location. You can move this shortcut key file through any external drive. There are some manners to use shortcut keys file on other system. When you want to import your shortcut keys file on other system, before import your shortcut keys, export the shortcut keys of that system and save it at any location so that you don't disturbing the shortcut key settings of that user. So import your file, finish your job, and before leaving the system, import the shortcut keys file of that user. When you import any keyboard shortcut keys file, it gives two options. First option is merge with existing shortcut settings. It merges the shortcut key of two files. And the second option is override existing shortcut settings. It deletes the first shortcut key settings and implement the settings of second file. I hope you like my today's video, so keep watching.